What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the just released Apple Watch Series 4, so stick around. Welcome back and let's get straight into the unboxing. So on the front of the box it says Apple Watch with the Apple logo and the word watch. On the back we have our exact series, which is a Series 4 silver aluminum with a white sport band 44mm edition. Peeling the plastic off of the outer layer of the box, we're presented with a different style packaging than we're used to seeing from Apple. And where it really shows is along the interior, with the interior portion of the box being filled with different color watch faces and different colored watch bands. And inside that well-designed Apple Watch packaging is our Apple Watch box itself, as well as our band. Opening up the actual Apple Watch box itself, you can see that it does have a picture of the Apple Watch on the front, and along the interior is some literature to help you get more familiarized with your watch faces, as well as your complications. Also included in the box is an inductive Apple Watch charger, as well as the charging brick. And lastly is the Apple Watch face itself, which comes in a protective microfiber sleeve. Removing the Apple Watch bezel from the protective pouch, I have to say that it looks really nice in this 44mm size. As mentioned earlier, we have a separate watch band box, so let's go ahead and open that up. As you can see, we get a little bit of literature, as well as the watch bands itself and some instructions on how to install the watch bands. And as you can see, we have two different sizes. The top section is going to be for the person with a larger wrist, and the one on the bottom for someone with a smaller wrist. So I'm going to go ahead and use the top one, as I do have a larger wrist. So I'll go ahead and place on the top section of the Apple Watch band. Then I'll remove the bottom section of the Apple Watch band from the box and insert it into the bottom section of the Apple Watch. Well, to me this Apple Watch Series 4 definitely looks nice. I can't wait to wear it. I will be doing a full review on this Apple Watch Series 4, so let me know down in the comment section below what questions you would like to see me answer in that review video. There's been some really cool improvements to the Apple Watch since the Series 3, and we will go over those further and in depth in the full review. Enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a like rating down below and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron and I'll see you guys on the next one.